Keblai Pebaro Shakatup Khubor Jangi Don Bosco Media Network. Kimat Bakong San Mentakas Ngi Kilong. Bentip ke Geological Survey of India ya ke sorkar pedeng ya ke jingpen long sor jamin hapedeng ke Meghalaya but Assam. Kenyum kinong tre ke GVK EMRI 108 service ya kinong peniat berpenduk no ya ke jingye per hapedeng ke belatari Islam but gitu ke bidang sutration. Kentok ke dekot ke thema orang bijuki ke kong Angela Rengat ya kinong mikmat kentiap seng. Lap unong wat jingtip RTI ubak despar sing rani sa saus pa anribu pratali ki kambathali ba empat pendap ke sorkar. Bat umyahap jingmut ke KSU ya ke give and take policy penbet kaput hapdeng ke Meghalaya bat Assam. Bat mentangin pa shiki khubor bakam banyak. Menteri Rangba Ka Jylla Konrad K Sangma hakasngi balang jong ka ar phulai tarik benai rempang arjar arpuar ulalum jingyalang iki kenhon beper ban pentip halor ke jingye penbet pot hapedeng ke Jylla Meghalaya bat Assam. Hak jingye kren berkilat pathai khubor Menteri Rangba ulay thuru ba ka Geological Survey of India kala pentip sya ka sorkar pedeng ban penlong ya ka jing sor jamin da ka jing sakhilang da kinong mikmat na ka sorkar Meghalaya bat ka sorkar Assam knang ba ka jingye penbet pot kan long ka bay hunlang da ki arliang mamla.
Really to give a bit more details about the basic understanding that Meghalaya and Assam have reached on the first 6 locations of the border dispute or the differences that we are having. And we have shared micro details, I should say, with them. We have not been able to give hard copies yet, but more or less I read out the entire details based on the principles that we have agreed on and shared with them about which villages, which particular area, and what ethnicity in which area is there, how we decided on one particular location, one village, whether Tarabari, Kizang, Hahim, what was the way we went forward, whether it's about Pilankata, Kanapara area or Ratache area. So we went into all those micro details and we have shared. The organizations had some concerns and they have again given us some more suggestions, and they have all stressed on the fact that the interests of the people living in the border should be maintained.
Ka National People's Party minta kasngi kala yo ban kring ya armut ki MDC jong ka Khas Hills Autonomous District Council kum ka jingpen kre bani kun ya ka MLA election hagasnem arjar arpulai. Kini ki armut ki MDC ki de ka Congress Kharpuri jong ka Nongshken constituency but uba Fantin Joseph Lakadong na Laikra Malki constituency.
Jiet biang seki party ki ba ka headquarter ka don sa ba jong ka Jylla ngaso Yibun kijing yang ni kinong mikmat. Kadang ikwa kendo ya ki presiden jungi ngaso ka chim jing naman ni haja lingba bon god. Dengan so kan pensuk sibon yang ladang join ya kani ka party NPP kaba tang si call ngala banyo kan direct yo presiden jo ka party. Pensuk sibon ka pensuk ya konstituensi but kapan build ya confident group. Kapan suk ya ka constituency namar nimdon kam bandit ban kier flight ban sang na kawai ke Jylla sa kawai Jylla banyak kendu ya ki. Tengah slow kay ka decision ka mangisim kum ka penhon kum ka constituency ka decision ka babhan na matapay ba jo constituency.
Isto press dong tingsang idang basaki mosa ngami ngamde ye shapo nongshken ngade ka nongwe he nongshken re balay ki nongshken ki je namar ki de ki breo ki basta balay ki nongshken ki je ye sa press conference song ki yu bu breo ba champang yu bu breo ubala ban wan yalam ya ki paiba hakajo kalenti ka bakumno banwan rai ka bhakamya ba de ka roi ka pahar Namdei ke shapo nongshken ngade ka nongway henre ki jet yang ana ruah hajar khandai na susi bhasha constituency kin kin thame baki laslang balle na ka wai ka shnong shkoi ka shnong baki ong what jet ya congress bade ka nongway
ka Khasi Students Union Maulai Circle hakasngi balang ka arpulai tarik urempang kala yo ban penlong ya ka mat shaprang Khasi League basketball tournament ya kini ke jingile akai la pelong hakamadan ke badon hayo Maulai nonglom. Hakani ke lempung ya kun kila don khat pratali ki kinhon na ki shinrang bat santali na ki kinthai. Ya kini ke lempung ya kun basketball la play perdada u MLA ka Maulai uba piti saukme.
Ban bit menta-menta, ban biang menta-menta, Ka mentah-mentah kan kut mentah-mentah. Idan kam nak kena jengi ban perkhat ya kan lawai pernai. Kata kana benong ban nak kena jong pi kanu bangitrai. Ni hap ban nak kena jengi ban penstom kanang bakan lawai jengi kanong pernai. Di saisin lai kublai kerpang ya kisi jo mulai circle. Bakan nang ya syahmat ban pelong di tournament. Away basketball tournament, cricket tournament, bakan match perang award ban kiwi. Pada ngais kamera nak kena joki. Kada ke mensim iban kentiu ya gajab beriu. Ban kentiu ya gajela. Di community ha ka wegesni. Baga jab beriu jengin kalau gajab beriu ke ban yalam daladi hakil yang barok. Kajing kumulai ba terpang di sama jengin. Di barok ke beri ngau trap. Kabalai tu nak kena president di mulai circle, secretary di mulai circle, members di mulai circle. Baga ke tournament barok ki team di ban nak yang jongka Dakala jumlah sekel ke masih mentah hang ni por mata, ke masih mentah na borok ki beri nyong trap. Ke competition, hang ni ke competition kalau mau silkai. Ila ni ke por ya ke jingbet. Bat kai ke badan kam. Dakala yang play sing stu khamha ni hap ya ke ban dakala ji ban practice. Practice make a man a perfect.
Laklet defend. Baik kejap tu. On.
Kenong yalam jong ketma orang li juki ke kong Angela rungat minta kesngi kelekin thok juri kinong mikmat ki bakin tiap nakawai keseng san hima sima syakawai pat. Hakajing pelat khubor ke kong rungat kelaong bekini kinong kentiap seng namar bekim don nongrim banjubab kila syuong. I have no comments.
Kibam don kanong rim ke bas kem. Mo, kibam don kita ki principles ba ki bajuk malin ban le yakini ki kam habak syakli bale ki le kumne kim don shu ban ong tang ba ban ong no comment namar haba pim don hi kanong rim pim la ban kren shai shaki pai ba bat pim la ban pen sngu thu ya ka jing shisha namar kam don ka jing shisha na ban ta kam ha kam yat jong ha jong pi sakawai ru ngiyo I menta ba bon kini kinong mi khmat jongi kia kran hat owo hana phang kata ka jing kai bi an yu do yo bon nangi de post na mentangi kran shkrani kani ban ngi ong ba kani ka jing le bi an om tang ba ka kalong no ka jing kani ka jing tu ya ka spa ka phau jongi ka ba ngi la ban pendon kam hre na banta ka koi ka khia ka puli puthi ban sna ki surok ban ni ki kam ki jam ya ki samla bara kini ki snam ki snap jak wat ki tu ki bakarshane ka sarkaru ki snap jak Nambar bon na ki don benta lang hakane ka jing kai bi ani udo yong. Bat menta pa de ki ile man le ban karan sapang udo yong. Balai sakawai nambar ba ki snow bakane ka jing kran kan wan lam jing mentoy ki nakabapen kulma jing mut yu pa ba kran ba pin snow ba ki de ki angel ba kiru ki kran persa ki kambaman.
Uway ni kinong lumjing tip lingba ka right to information uba disparsing rani minta kasngi ulay thuo ba ki jingyo lumjing tip jong u hakini kisngi ki baladeb ula shem baladon hadu south pa nribu pratali ki kam ki bathli ki ba ka sarkar jilla kampat shimla la ban pendap hadu kini kisngi hakatanat PWD PHE but forest Habakren ni kilat pathai Khubor Shillong Press Club uba rani ulay thuo ba nalor ki tu ki jingtip ba ula sam shikilat pathai Khubor minchwa ladon hadu shiajar news pa pratali ki kam bathli hakatanat secretariat sericulture but kiwe nalor ki te ladon sakini kiwe south pa nripu pratali ki kam bathli ki ba ka sarkar jilla kampat la ban pendap ula ong uni urang ba
arja khanyu kaba ka government ka debrai ba kadon ka polisi ban ai kam ye gino ibriu ki ba ajaka ti habede ba kani ka order ka ba la pas da cabinet jong mukul don ka to kani ba asha ka post ye gitu ki ba ajaka kum ka post SA LDA ba ki wi dei don ba de ki bam pat ai kum ba la hukum daga cabinet hapo ka PHE department Don ru ki department ngapo PHB kum ka hill division na kajinsya kani ka komisionit kraw la debdu ti haka arhaja khandriu la thum komisionit kraw iwe po ka hill division ti kani ka report ka bang ai sapi mentang ti hwede ba kani ka PWD bang suyo report mentang sni ti po chief engineer Kini kalau ke pos arpon riuteli ke LDA kalau kadwe teli taipis kalau krateli pion kalau new teli hang ni po chief engineer. Kita kali ke bangawan ASHA
Kinong tre ka kot ka kya GVK EMRI 108 service habok kalama jang ka Meghalaya Emergency Management and Research Institute Workers Union mentagasngi kila knyum ye kinong penyat ki bala pendo no ye ka jingye pher hapadeng kitu ki bala turislam bat kitu ki bidang shutration hakani ka jing sam tu lop ka bamenta kini kinong yalam kila keno bakani ka jing le jang kinong penyat kalong ban phya ye ka jingye teli hapadeng kini kinong tre
On all we have found that there is a disparity or the difference between the salary of the members of all the staff among the 108 staff. So at this point of time, we just want to inform you that we have sent the letter to different departments of different departments of our state, like to ask for the clarity or the clarification on how they distribute the money which the government had provided towards us. So because after we have studied all the payslip of all the staff after getting the salary, so we found that there is a big disparity or the difference between the salary that there is no more seniority. That means there are some who had in which the salary had been reached to around 8,000.
Kakasi Students Union minta kasngi kaloong bakam yahap jingmut berkata keperkat perdan give and take policy jong ke sarkar jilla ha ka jingye penbet kaput hapadeng ke Meghalaya bat Assam. Presiden ke KSU uba Lambok Starwell Marngar Uloong.
The NGO also have not agreed to what the government said. We have raised several issues which the government has tried to clarify. We, from day one, from HYC, we work together with SameShape, with village, Khasi village, and this council. So this is the thing that we have once again have to go back to them to have a second thought on all this. So it won't be easy for us also to take a call on this matter as of now. And I don't know whether the government they want to go ahead after this meeting or not. But we feel that it should not go ahead after this meeting. We need to rediscuss. We need to go back to those villages and to those border area to have a talk again with this, especially with the Hima and the Dorbasnong in this border area. That we want to go to this side.
Hinne kasngi lapelong ya ka workshop ban penkre ikisamla ka thanya ka benta ki kam armed branch but unarmed branch post constable ha East Garo Hills district ha ka ba MLA Marcus Marak ulawan kum ukongsan ha kani ka program but kinong ai jing hikai ki kentup u DSP Victor and Sangma but u Anthony CH Momin but la yo ru ikikintin ai khublei penkut ya ka program da u deputy commissioner ka East Garo Hills u Swapnil Tembe. Hinne kasngi kaneng man dalgre PHC kabadon ha East Garo Hills district kala rakhe ka jingdap shisnem ka jingstang trekam ban shakri ye ki patba ha kalyang ka kot ka khya habakren ka ni program u deputy commissioner ke East Garo Hills district usop nil tempe ulayro ek jing tre shitom jang kinong tre ki blatre met pat minsim ban yarap ek breu ka than ki blayo jing mentoi shibon da ka jingdon ka ni ka PHC but ulakula ru banang penkiu ye ka ni ka PHC habaro kilyang ha ka jinge be but teneng ban shet ban ba mi ki jat jing bam jang ki wei pat ki jat ban riu ban nabar bun sin ngim nang ngim tip shu ban shet ye ki jing bam ten rai la jong halor kani ka nong rim kum shibanta ban pinne pensa ye ki jing bam ten rai ka Society for Urban and Rural Empowerment kala pinmi yakwe ka kot ka bahikai kumno ban shet ye ki jing bam ten rai ba pher jong ki jat ban riu panar ka bala ai kerteng ka kot bam ten re ye kini ka kot la palat pat ba aru hinne kasngi da deputy commissioner ka West Giant Hills u Garrett LNS Dykes ha ka jingalang baladon lang upius rani executive director NESFAS ka kong Patricia Mukim editor the Shillong Times kinong rep bat kiwe hadulong community hall Jawai
kiba bun kata kadai kacingsya kebangi hapan kubur bat nga kumban benrap nga kadai ke subjek ke topik ke beron kamba nga benrap ke ai ke bai kong presti ong ba ngai i ba kadai ke group ke babiang hanya address ke kadai ke por rei kena ke wan ada ngidon kendiat rei ngilong fokus ngai ba kena ke group kedai ke kum kena ki forum ki ba ra ki balong praktikal ki balong efektif pengila ban achieve dan ban kot ke thong jogi ban peduna di kita ki long kemi ki ba khlat pot kha khun kum juru ban kentiu ya kita
Bat da kitu ki khubor ngila poi shakabakot tat hadu penginde syambiang kublish pun.